Yul Edochie is a very bad man. Very bad, very wicked. How can a man just wake up and just say he wants to go and marry another wife? Yeah, I don't know any Alice. I don't know any Alice that is worse than that. Like, I think we should pray against the type of Yul Edochie in our life this year. Because I'm still wondering, a whole queen, you will marry a complete queen. Complete queen. Woman will get good character, woman will fine, woman will stand with pointed breasts, flat tummy, perfection. How can a man marry a whole queen and leave her for a princess? I be a slave. Which one on a column? Yul, now wow. Like, I don't know. I've been trying to phantom it in my head and say, what is even wrong with Yul Edochie self? Make you rest. Make you rest. Zuike Yul. But to our queen, I want to ask a question that really, really bothers me. Yul Edochie is so bad of a man. Why are you still under his shadow? Kedife Meli Kanaza May Yul Edochie. Why are you still holding his surname? Because if a man is this bad and this demonic, a woman is not supposed to have anything to do with him now. Okay, Kwechilu now. The first thing a woman even does when she divorces her husband, or when the man do bad, and the man is as wicked as Yul, the first thing where you go do, you go yank off his name, yank off his surname. That is how they do it now. Put your papa name. But it's been 2 years now. Come out of his shadow. The man is so bad. He's so wicked. Leave his name and his surname. When you come out of his shadow and leave his name and his surname, leave his clout, people will not even remember that this man hurts you this much. If you disassociate yourself from him, yes, you have children for him, but you as a woman, you can have an identity of your own. Your children is not your identity. You get where you're from. You understand? If you can leave his shadow, people might not even remember that you were married to Yul. We will just focus on Judy Austin. You understand? I know that, okay, she is Yul's wife. We will not even remember. All this stress you are going through every time on the internet, they'll be bringing you, you go talk. Yul go talk. They go merge and together. It's because you're still carrying his surname. You're still carrying his name. You're not even just carrying Edochie. You're carrying Yul Edochie. And he's so bad. It's not it. He's a very bad man. Because I don't know why people want to still be associating themselves with bad people and bad name. That's just my own with this video that is trending and all this Nkasilo. My own is come out of his shadow. Leave his name and his surname. That is bad name and that is bad surname. Happen lawyer, no. That's just where I'm concerned though. And to those people saying, what Yul is saying is a lie. Wait, see, the truth is, you see me and Yul Edochie's marital wahala. They have not told us what happened. Yes, they have not told us what happened. I went to Instablog. Some people were saying, Yul is a lie. If you had something to say, you would have said it since. Listen, let me teach you guys something. This one, a free relationship therapy pill. The person that is pinching can always be the quiet one. Why the person that they are pinching can always be the one crying and louder. I will come again. The person pinching you is always quiet. Because when you pinch, it is quiet. But you that they pinched will shout. And people will be wondering, what is wrong with this one? Because the pinch is silent. People will always think that nothing is happening to you. You just like to make noise. You are a loud noise maker. This thing where I just give Unana, smart, intelligent, dead people go understand what they talk. When it comes to marriage, nobody is a saint. Now, happy hand in social media, you people just judge based on your perspective on how you see people. You don't know what's happen for marriage. Come on, body. Someone I said they pinch some people, and some people are shouting. When people are shouting, listen to their cry. Listen to their cry. Nobody they cry. Get some people who say, pinch you silently. When they pinch you silently and you they shout. And sometimes pinching, no, they get evidence. They go pinch you, they go say, what do you go say, person pinch me, where he pinch you, how he pinch you, because no evidence. So my own be say, when it comes to marital issues like this, come on body, the person where you they think say, na him be good person, na lie yo. I've been a relationship therapist for 8 years. Nothing where my eye never see for this man, and I've been married. I say na that one where you think say holy, na them the guilty pass. Just because people do not talk, don't mean that they don't have a lot to say. Sometimes you can actually be quiet. Not because they did not hurt you. Sometimes you can be quiet to protect people's image. I've seen this a whole lot of time. They don't drag me for internet before. Tell me, say, I did knock person husband. There's nothing they've not called me. Once you begin to stand for the truth, there's something about the public that is not often. A lot of things about the public that is not often true. Not be everything where people post for media be real. People don't even say the truth on the media. And you see woman and man relationship wahala, they know they tell us what's happen. Now them know what's transpire between the both of them. So I'm gonna say, let's be diplomatic, so that at the end of the day, you people will not come and be shouting, Mohbad cried, but we did not hear. We are sorry, Mohbad. We failed you. The government failed you. A man has been crying since last year. He has been holding it down mentally. He's been holding it down mentally, emotionally. You people have dragged Yul Edochie for decades. Una not tire. Una don't know what's happening. Una just they drag him. If anything happens to Yul tomorrow, it is Ogun that will kill you people. We failed him. We would have listened to him. There is always two sides to the story. Unfortunately, in this part of the world, men are always the victim. I started paying more attention when I started having male children. I started paying more attention when my kids, I have 2 boys. Initially, I used to talk carelessly. Feminists is women that now lie. I have watched my son go silent. My 12-year-old son. And I kept watching. What is wrong? Once a man begins to be quiet, something is wrong. I will go to my son. I will talk to him, He's even me that tell my son, no grief for anybody. Talk. So that if something is wrong, your mother can know where to help you. Talk. And my son will tell me, Mommy, they say men don't talk too much. At 12 years, my son don't they tell me, say they say men don't. I say, talk. Your mama don't give you voice. Anything will happen, talk am. If you know fit talk and tell me, I go to talk the talk for you. My point is, we go marry husband, oh. We get brothers, oh. We get sisters, we get relatives. Keep the same energy. If I want to talk anything about Yul Edochie, everybody will begin to shout, it's because your sister is married. And what happened to me will happen to your sister. What do you know happened to me? Talkative, busybody. What happened to me? Has May even told you that anything happened to her? The woman has been speaking grammar, writing gospel. You people have just been speculating. You are just speculating. The man made a choice. You don't know why he made that choice. The woman made her choice. You don't know why they made the choice. Respect it now. Nothing happened to me. Nothing happened to Yul. Nobody don't come tell you. Yul don't they talking. Oh, now say a lie. Why no toxins? Why no toxins? Ain't no toxins because there are some people that don't just want their marital matter to be. I say, boy, get that person go draw you. Trigger you. You be human being now. The person self go collect. My point be say, make una focus on our life. When it comes to marriage and 2 people, nobody knows exactly what used to happen between the both of them. Now 2 of them go come together, know whether they want cohabit, whether they want co-parent, whether they want to do anything. All this one they see for media, now just noise making. This one go come talk idiom, this one go come talk. Everybody just they drop on one. You will see that there have not been communication between both parties. Once in a while, you can be triggered to just say one thing. Not because you are telling lies. You understand? At the end of the day, who even cares about anybody's story? All of them no send anybody. Everybody just they find content, they find what they go talk. You are not a lawyer. You are not a judge. You cannot even give solution. So why do you think that people would always want to come and want to explain themselves to you? No. Because at the end of the day, you guys do not give a 2 fuck about anybody. Even you, where did this comment section now, we want type nonsense, we will Google key. You they also get your own wahala for your own house. Your house no pure. Your family no pure. It's no good for your side. But you won't come drop comments Come they form like say Jagaban, like say you come on, get out and go and solve a family problem. Idiots. Get out.